Stumbling out of bed, and I still got you in my head from all those pretty words you said. It's like I'm waiting.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be lots and lots of laundry motivation. I have been neglecting my laundry because of all the decluttering I've been doing, so I wanted to go ahead and get this taken care of on this day. So you guys can kind of see I had quite a few loads of laundry to do. So as per usual, I started out by sorting the laundry by each family member so that I could then just put their items away. I don't know. That's just how I like to do it. You guys will have to leave me a comment below and let me know, do you sort your laundry prior to folding it and putting it away?
Now, cause I don't wanna slow this down. My heart is screaming out your name. I'm wasted on you. Here we are, right underneath the stars. So let's get a little reckless. You make me breathless, and I won't waste this. And I promise that I will stand by you forever. I promise that I will stand by you forever, and I won't waste this. I'll follow you, yeah.
Once I am done sorting out all of the laundry, the next step I like to do is just start by doing all of the towels and washcloths and all of that first. For me, I feel like it just helps to see the pile of laundry going down really quickly, and washcloths and towels are some of the easiest, most enjoyable things for me personally that I feel like to fold and make a big impact in the loads of laundry. So it's just a really encouraging way for me to get a bunch done all at once. Give this video a thumbs up if you agree, or if you are just enjoying this laundry motivation.
Never knew that it could feel this way when you're lying next to someone. You don't even need to play pretend, 'cause you find the way you are. I wanna know you better, give me every detail. I won't judge you, as you know. Could stay forever when you're lying in my arms. My heart is open, it just took some time. Now I just hope that you'd stay for a little while. You fix what's broken when you make that smile. So just stay for a little while. So just stay for a little while.
I didn't think that I would find that someone who's as honest as you are. The way you make me feel at night when I when it's cold outside, but you make it alright. I wanna know you better.
This was a really dreary, wintry day, and it was actually supposed to be getting 10 inches of snow this day, like a big snowstorm. And at the time of me recording this voiceover, I ended up doing it the same day, so I don't know if we're getting that snowstorm yet, but it doesn't look like it. If you look out the window, it really does not look like that much snow is coming this afternoon, so we shall find out. It did start snowing right as I was finishing this laundry, so maybe it's coming.
Fix what's broken when you make that smile.
So just stay for a little while.
So long when you go, and I can't get enough of you. So can't you stay a little while? I don't want you to leave, so please stay with me.
Stay for a little while.
Stay for a little while.
Yeah, yeah.
My heart is open. It just took some time. Now I just hope that you stay for a little while.
You fix what's broken when you make that smile. So just stay for a little while.
My heart is open. It just took some time. Now I just hope that you stay for a little while. You fix what's broken when you make that smile. Stay for a little while. Stay for a little
I've never felt like this. What are you doing to me? It only took one kiss to know that you're everything I need, everything I need. So tell me now, because I just have to know. Do I make you wanna run away with me? Do I really make you feel like you don't need anyone? Do I make you wanna run, just be wild and free? Do I really make you feel like you don't need anyone else, like you don't need anyone else? Because all I need is you. The way you play with your hair, and now you're always wearing denim. Yeah, everything about you is the reason I can't spend one more day without you. Oh, so tell me, girl, 'cause I really wanna know. Do I make you wanna run away with me? Do I really make you feel like you don't need anyone? Do I make you wanna run, just be wild and free? Do I really make you feel like you don't need anyone else, like you don't need anyone else? Because all I need is you. Oh, won't you run away with me? Won't you run away with me? I've never felt like this. you're doing to me. So do I make you wanna run away with me? Do I really make you feel like you don't need anyone? Do I make you wanna run, just be wild and free? Do I really make you feel like you don't need anyone else? Like you don't need anyone else? Because all I need is you. Oh, all I need is you. Hey. Oh, yeah. 'Cause all I need, 'cause all I need is you.
Technique that I like to employ whenever I am trying to get a lot of laundry done all at once is just to take the rest of the laundry or some of the laundry into that room and fold it or hang it up in there. And I actually do that a lot with my husband and I's laundry because it's easy to just put it on the bed and stand next to it and take care of it. You guys will also have to let me know if that's something you do as well. I've kind of realized it's just the change of scenery gives me like a little break in the hour-long marathon of doing laundry, or 2 hours, or however long it takes me doing laundry. It just kind of gives me a little bit of a break, and it makes it feel not quite as like overwhelming or daunting. And I'm also listening to some true crime YouTube videos as well while I am doing this laundry on this day.
I used to stay up all night trying to find my place, chasing neon lights and looking for some kind of trace to lead me out of darkness. Give me a little faith, something to make me stronger, someone who could light the way. Then you came to me and you gave me reason. I almost can't believe it. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know we're gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know we're gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. Yeah. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. Yeah. I don't know anybody that could compare to you. The way you're always smiling, the way you light up a room. I couldn't live without you, not even if I tried. 'Cause every day I'm with you, I'm flying over the clouds. Oh yeah, yeah, I'm flying over the clouds. And I'm not coming down. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know you're gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your
This is another thing that I started doing last year, and that was just to lay all of the clothes, like the shirts, out on top of each other and then hang them all up at once. I don't know if this really speeds things up because you do have to lay the shirts out first, but sometimes it just makes it a little more interesting for my brain, if that makes sense, and kind of just changes things up while I am doing laundry, since my goal here is just to kind of make the laundry a little bit more enjoyable.
Not even if I tried, ooh, I couldn't be without you now. I just can't see how, 'cause I need you by my side. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. Yeah, I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way
Another thing I realized like in the last couple of months is how every time I do my kids' laundry, every article of clothing they own, or like 99% of them, are all inside out. And I'm like, you know what? If their clothes were not all inside out, this would probably take like half the amount of times that it takes for me to do their laundry, because I have to turn everything right side out and then hang it up. So that is something I've been trying to do over the last couple of weeks, and obviously failing at it, but I started trying to pay attention. I don't know if anybody else has thought of that, but I'm like, if I can get their clothes in the hamper the right way out, even if we had to do it like as we're throwing them in the hamper, just turn the clothes right side out, that would save me so much time. And so that's something I've been thinking about lately as well.
Make you wanna run away with me. Do I really make you feel like you don't need anyone? Do I make you wanna run? Just be wild and free. Do I really make you feel like you don't need anyone else? Like you don't need anyone else? Because all I need is you.
And now I have my couch back. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Bye. Okay, there it comes.
No, I'm just fighting right now. I'm so excited.
Yeah, everything about you